Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on this Tenda router. And to do this, first thing is to actually power on our router. That means connect it to the power source with the power adapter that you got inside the box. Mine is already powered on. After that you need to give it around 3 minutes till it's fully powered on. And then you can connect your WAN, your main internet source, right here. And if you plan on using a cable connection, then go for one of the LAN ports and connect it with your PC. Now, when we have that ready, there's also a sticker underneath our router with the IP address. That's our configuration website, and make sure to actually note that. And also there's a login password, which is admin, and probably name will be admin as well. And there shouldn't be any Wi-Fi password for your router if you're planning on using Wi-Fi. If there is one, then click and hold reset button, and it will reset your router to factory settings, and then there won't be any password on the Wi-Fi. And now we have everything ready. We can move to my phone. And if you're planning on setting it up on your PC, it's basically the same thing, actually from where we get to the browser. But first, open the Wi-Fi. You can go on your PC, it should be in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then connect your router with your phone or your PC or whatever. And if you're using cable connection, then you don't need to worry and you can skip that step. Then open the browser, and we'll need to follow the configuration IP website, which is 192.168.0.1. Let's try reaching it. 192.168.0.1. Go to that website, and here we'll be able to log into our router to configure it. We'll need to enter our username, which is admin, and the password should be the same, admin. And then click on OK, and I think we should be able to get in. Yep, we're just logged in. And we can set up our router. The current router has no set login password. It is recommended to go to the settings. Go to the settings, and here you can enter your login password, new one. And I'm gonna go with 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. You can adjust your WAN parameters, and when everything is set, click on OK. Enter the password that you just changed. And our router is basically set. All we have to do in this case is to connect it to the internet source. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.